Are you a music producer that's struggling to get high quality mixes, songs, or finding your unique sound? Well, I get it. And sometimes it can be difficult to find that unique sound that makes you stand out from everybody else. Heck, I struggled with that for the longest time. I was stuck like most music producers are at one point in their life, and it took a big hit on my music career as a result. Until I found a unique strategy that helped me transform those problems into incredible mixes and songs. Now, I want to show you how you can achieve the exact same thing, implementing exactly what I did to skyrocket my music career. My name is Cylus, and over the last 4 years, I've helped dozens of music producers sharpen their skills in music production by crafting their own unique sounds, creating high-quality mixes, and getting loads of streams as a result. My unique approach has transformed the way music producers perceive their work so much more differently compared to when they started. And I know I can do the exact same thing for you. That's why I'm inviting you to hop on a free 45-minute call with me, where I'll share some of the most powerful methods that help me and all my students achieve amazing success with music production. Just send a quick thumbs up to whoever sent this to you, and I'll send you the further details to schedule that free call with me. Talk to you soon.